Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be continuing on this bin that I was doing before. It's all necklaces. And I found some very interesting pieces. One, for example, is a very large and heavy necklace. This is where all of these are tied in. I'm not sure this is supposed to be sticking out. Maybe we can push it back in and put some glue, but look at this. This is heavy. It is long. And it cascades onto this chocolate brown and these little tubes here. I mean, I'll probably need to zoom out to show you. It feels nice and cold. I also found this, it's a magnet, I think. Oh, not a magnet. You twist it. It's a barrel clasp. These are acrylic in a very light teal green. Or what kind of color would this be? It's kind of like a cream colored green. I don't know. And this one is black and white sea beads, but they're like half black and half white, braided with these wooden larger beads and discs. This also feels like a natural material. Could be coconut. And then we have some shell chips here. And then more dyed shell chips over here. And then this is a necklace. These are large. Look, it's like 4 fingers. Plastic. Open in the back. And these, I think, are shell. This looks more like a vintage piece. Barrel clasp. And this is shell, I think. I found another one of those hematite necklaces. And another one with a little pendant here. Oh, let's see how many more. This one with a heart, also on a barrel clasp. And then this one with just beads and no pendant, round beads. And I think this one is made to look like hematite, but it's not. And I'll show you this one. This is a wine necklace. Here's the tassel. These are some faceted rondelles with some shell chips and plastic chips. Some faceted beads. It's a 4 little strand tassel here. And I'll show you like this. This goes with a lot of things. These feel like glass. They're very cold in a very fun orange color. And then this is plastic. A very long faux turquoise. And then some chips here. You can either add a pendant or use this for crafting or wear it as is. But look at the color. It almost looks like malachite. And this one is with some freshwater pearls, some glass, some plastic, some quartz, and a very nice crystal here. It is big. Also one that you can wear with a lot of, oh, some wooden ones. Midnight blue. And these are shell chips. And this is another one. And I'm going to show you, these are more like an orangey rose color. A little pinkish. And then these are kind of like crisscross. This one is very nice as well. I like this shell inlay and some abalone wooden sea beads. Very organic. And here is a gold tone. This kind of looks like amber. It's long and it says LC. See how long this is? This one is a very heavy piece. It's made out of metal. It's a double strand and chain links. Like a chunky chain and then a puffy hollow heart here in gold tone. This one is very beautiful as well. And this one is a plain gold chain with very light weight links. It needs a little cleaning. You can double it. I have another necklace here. Let me see if I could adjust my light a little bit better. It's casting a shadow. I will show one more and then continue after this one in different lighting. This one is very nice. This is also with that button, and it's a white necklace with a piece of wood here, a little barrel, and a tassel with 6 little strands in chocolate and white. And thank you guys for watching.